In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Lucidchart. Lucidchart is a popular tool for creating diagrams and flowcharts, and knowing how to wrap text properly within your shapes can make your visual presentations more effective. So, let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head on over to Lucid's official site by typing lucid.so into the address bar. Once the website loads, you'll see an option to log in at the top right corner. Click on that, and you'll be prompted with various options to access your account. For simplicity, we recommend using the Sign Up with Google feature, which is quick and secure. Select this option and you'll see a list of Google accounts linked to your browser. Click on the one you wish to use, and within moments you'll be logged into Lucidchart. Now that we're in, we're aiming to open the document or chart where you want to adjust the text. Look towards your dashboard and you'll find a button labeled Open. Click on it and navigate to the document you're working on. Once you've opened your document, identify the text that you want to wrap or adjust. Click directly on the text box and you'll see a series of options and adjustments appear along the top toolbar. Here's a crucial step. To wrap the text effectively, you need to make sure the font size is suitable for your diagram's design. Start by clicking on the font size drop-down menu in the toolbar. You'll notice a variety of sizes you can choose from, but for the most effective text wrapping, choose Auto. When you select Auto, Lucidchart automatically adjusts the font size to fit neatly within the bounds of the shape you are working with. This simple approach ensures that your text is always legible and presented in a way that complements the rest of your chart. It's particularly useful if you're working with dynamic data or anticipate adjusting your diagram's size frequently. The auto setting provides a hands-free solution to maintaining a polished and professional look. To summarize, using the auto adjust feature in Lucidchart helps streamline your workflow, providing a quick and efficient way to ensure all text elements in your design fit perfectly within their designated areas. This not only enhances the visual appeal of your charts, but also makes them much more readable at a glance. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to wrap text in Lucidchart. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your digital tools.